Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm back with a different video. Well, I did this for fall or for winter, where I take my Pinterest outfits I can't wait to wear that I'm gonna restyle and kind of tell you about them now, different trends, why I'm liking these things before I build my spring wish list. So yeah. So I love using Pinterest as outfit inspiration. I think it really shows the fact that, like, yes, trends are fun, but like at the heart of most things, fashion is cyclical, and just because an outfit is 3 years old doesn't make it bad. It makes it honestly great and timeless in my opinion. So I love Pinterest for that. But I have a lot of fun outfits that I can't wait to kind of show you, and I'm going to use those as my inspiration to build my wish list, what I'm going to be buying for spring. So that's going to come soon. And then I'm going to use it obviously to recreate the outfit. So let's go ahead and jump on it. I'm going to show like pictures, tell you what about it is like screaming to me, and yeah, we're going to go through it. So let's do it. All right, let's start with look number one. Obviously this is zero surprise to anyone, okay? This is a me outfit at its core. Blue button up, white jeans, and then she has the most perfect black flip-flops. That is like definitely on my list. Literally on my spring wish list, it just says perfect black flip-flops, okay? I need a pair of perfect black flip-flops. I have a pair from Tory Burch, but I feel like they smush my feet and don't like elongate them and make them slender. Do you know what I mean by that? They're almost like too tight. I didn't know that was a possibility, but it's a possibility. So I am on the hunt for the perfect black flip-flop. But besides this outfit's just casual, comfortable. I like her hair too. It's kind of like a loose, beachy wave. Mine today is like full rollers. Yes, I did my rollers today, and I'm hoping it falls a little bit though, because it's a little much, but still super cute. I literally just took it out. But anyway, I'm loving everything about this outfit, obviously. Okay, number two. There's a couple things that I love about this. Love the cropped trousers. I think ankle pants are gonna be coming back in, and I love that. And it's super easy to take your old pants and temporarily hem them. You don't have to like get rid of them. You don't have to chop them. You don't have to buy new ones. You can either stitch them like with a little stitch gun to kind of give a more tailored or like cropped look, or you could have someone do it for you but not cut the pant off. So easy, so yeah, easy. Okay, next I am loving her little wire framed glasses. I grabbed a pair of these from Amazon, but they were just too big for my face. So I need to be on the hunt for like a smaller wire frame glasses in like this all black. Love. I also love this style of tank top. I have one from Quince, but I honestly think it might be too big. I need to try it on again. But this sort of like loose blouse-like tank top. It's not like a fitted, I just think it's cute. And then woven bag and patterned flats. Flats are gonna be continuing to come with me into spring and summer. I love them. I just think they're so cute. And they've really replaced a lot of my sneakers. So everything about this outfit is just chic and classic and cute. Okay, moving on to the next. You can see very similar in terms of that tank top, where it's just kind of like loose and flowy and just perfect. I want to find tank tops like this. This is like my goal, okay? So the perfect like slouchy but not frumpy looking tank top. I also love the big chunky earrings. I think especially in the spring and summer when it's hot, it already gets hot here in Texas like really early. So I need to be using accessories to kind of like layer and not get in that slump where I feel like I'm not creative with my outfits in the summer because, you know, there's not much going on or whatever. So definitely wanting to get more like kind of statement pieces of jewelry, and you'll see that. Loving the white jeans, loving the sunglasses tied in with the black, loving the ice cream. Yeah, cute. And I like her kind of like French twist bun that she has going on. I think that's really cute. I love everything about that. Okay, next we have a two for one, if you will. Loving the black on black. I actually love like all white or all black outfits for summer. I think our spring and summer, I think that sometimes we just think about color and we don't just think about basics, but this is so good. Also, I feel like this is gonna be the year of two tops for me. I don't know, but I like it. And I love these long shorts. So cute. And I love that she's like pairing them with a flat, because I feel like so many times I see long shorts but the girl either has like sky high legs or she's wearing heels, and that's just not practical for me. But this, I love everything about it. Also loving the other girl with the tank and the statement belt. I have something very similar to that with the black skirt. So cute. Overalls. Okay, I want more of a darker pair, but I have like a light wash pair and I have a white pair. But I'm liking this dark with like dark accessories. I just think it's really quite cool. So these are from Reformation. Probably wouldn't spend that much money on overalls, but I don't know, maybe they're not that expensive. I love my Abercrombie ones. I will say in the past like year, they've been too tight for me. So hopefully now I can fit into them. And I like a slouchy, but still like an oversized, but not big. Do you know what I'm talking about? Like a fitted overall. And I love overalls, okay? Can't pry them for my cold dead hands. Okay, next up, again with the tank top. Okay, this is ribbed. This is a little bit more fitted, but not super fitted. And it just fits on the body. It's not hugging the body. It's just sitting. And she's stunning. This skirt, the belt, the shoes, the gold or the silver accessories. No notes. This outfit is perfection. It's literally so good. So yeah, it's gonna be the year of tank tops for me too, I guess. Okay, next up is bringing my my silk pants into the spring with just like an oversized t-shirt and flip-flops. I think this is so cute. I feel like I really didn't think that I would be able to style my silk pants out of winter and fall. And she's doing it and it's so cute. And I also really like this fringe bag. Love. Okay. Next up, again, peplums, very in. Okay, black and white. We have a black and white, yes. Love her little, I love everything about this. But I like this like sort of peplum. It's not super peplum, but it's slightly peplum. I think that's coming back as well. But yeah, this outfit's just classy. It's cute. I like. This might be giving a little fall, but I think if I changed the sweater on the shoulder up a little bit, I think that I could still make this very spring. So I want a pair of green jeans like this. I have a pair of green barrel pants from Uniqlo and I wear the heck out of them. I love them. Green is very neutral to me because I wear so much of it. I don't know. To me, maybe I should say staple, not neutral, whatever. I love it. And I just feel like these are a really good fitting pair of jeans too. Love the sweater, love the little white tee, love the flip-flops. So cute. Very basic, very good, but just a little something different. I'm wanting more like, I guess, bolder pairs of pants. Not that they're that bold. Colored pants were so big. When I was in college, I remember when I worked for Hollister, neon, yellow, green, pink, and then we went into colored shorts with like red and blues, and it was just a wild time to be alive. And that was probably in 2011, something like that. I don't remember. Anyway, loving that outfit. Okay, next up again, green pants. Loving the pastel cardigans. I still want to continue cardigans into the spring, just obviously in brighter colors. I did a little bit of a H&M haul where I purchased a pink sweater similar to this, and I thought with the green pants that I already owned from Uniqlo, so good. I probably would not wear heels with this, but yeah. And again, I'm not gonna go and buy cargo pants just for this when I have something similar enough. I feel like the picture before was different enough. I know, right? But I love, 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 love. So cute. Loving the pink with the green. Think that's such a cool color combination. Okay, for my girls that are like, okay, well, spring, it must be nice to live in Texas in the spring, but in other places it's still cold as heck. Okay, I get it. Loving this sort of layered look. The crop, this isn't a full crop. This is kind of like a mid-length trench. I feel like trenches in different lengths are really coming back. You don't need to, you can still wear a regular size trench. It's not that big of a deal, but I have one. I love it. And if you're looking for a little variety, this is something to do. I love the V-neck layered over. Loving the loafers. This is just a really cute outfit. This brings me happiness in a picture, okay? White on white, little canvas bag, pop of a yellow hat. I've had this picture pinned for a while and I'm so excited to recreate it. I had a yellow hat on my list for a hot minute, but I just never found the right yellow. This is kind of the yellow I'm going for. Almost like mustard. It's good. It's good. It looks great on her. I'm excited to recreate this outfit like nobody's business. Okay, next, striped sweater. Love denim shorts, clogs. This is so cute. This is so effortless. I love her front door, like so much. I don't know if that's her front door, but that is so cool. But I love everything about this outfit. I think it's fun. I love a sweater with denim shorts moment, and I think spring is pretty much the only time we can really do that. I mean, end of summer, we can do that, but spring. I also love the little scrunchie in the hair. I think that's cute. Okay, again, next up, baseball caps, striped sweaters, boat shoes, medium wash jeans. Say less. I do have a lot of oversized tees, and I'm wanting to go more of like baby tees this year as well. Not where they are like showing midriff, but that they're hitting the pants just right. I want to get a couple of those, and I'm probably just gonna go to Uniqlo because they have the best basics. But I just grabbed a sweater from Abercrombie that's like yellow and blue, and I think perfection. Okay, I love this. I want a pair of jeans that I can cuff, okay? I love the light wash in these. I used to also, back when I was in high school, cuffing jeans was like a really big deal, so I love it. But I love this sort of interesting tank top. It's like, first of all, I love the green. I love the like ruching. I think ruching, asymmetry, different things like that with tops are gonna be huge. And I think it's just really cool. And I love the green. I love it. So yes, no notes. I definitely want a pair of cropped jeans or cuffed jeans. Jeans long enough to be able to cuff. That's what I mean. Okay. So cute. I don't know if I would show this much midriff, but I have a pair of barrel jeans. Mine are high rise, so I think it'll be fine. Mine wouldn't do that. A little gray tank, no notes. Love the flip flops, love the canvas hat bag, the little hat. So cute. Just giving effortless, thrown together perfection. So cute. It's like the equivalent of throwing on workout clothes, but it's just way more elevated, and I love it. She's so cool. She's so cool. I love this hat so much. I feel like I have hats like this. I have to remind myself of what hats I actually have, but I know I have something similar to this. So yes, I just need to be wearing them more. I feel like I save them for like beach vacations, but it's like, girl, you can wear a hat anytime. Men do. Wireframe glasses, white linen button up. Say less. Say less. It's absolute perfection. Okay, this, I really just wanted to hone in on the jewelry. I'm wanting lots more cool cuffs. Like, how cool is that gold one with the little green gems in it? Oh, I feel like I've mastered my like everyday basics, just like whatever, but I'm wanting more fun jewelry pieces to continue to grow my collection, and I'm loving all the mixed metals. Yes, I'm here for the chunky, almost costume-esque jewelry. I think we went really minimal with our jewelry. Now I think we're gonna go more costume, which I'm here for. Bangles, cuffs, all the things. Again, with this, the what do I wanna call that? Tube top. And then this chunky red necklace. So good, so good. It's giving Wilma Flintstone, but I love it. I have no notes. It literally looks like cherries. I just want to bite it. It's so cool. So cool. With a slicked back and some fun sunnies. She looks so cute. Again, like you can tell the trends, right? Peplum mixed with, or kind of not peplum, kind of like baby doll. Tube top. Again, funky, chunky necklace. Super cute earrings too. Light wash, loose jeans. So good. And then a clear, or like a mesh flat, which I think I will continue to wear a ton. If you've kind of like held off on mesh flats, really use them, or like really think about it, because like they are so useful in like a no shoe type of vibe. I don't know how to explain it, but they're so barely there that they feel like you're not wearing any shoes at all, and it's kind of incredible. So I might look into different colored mesh. I have like a nude mesh, but with little bejazzles on it. But these are so cute, and I love everything about that outfit. And then is this last but not least? Last but not least, again, I'm talking about asymmetrical tops. I love this sort of high neck with that like cinches in at the waist, shows the definition with a baggier jean. And then you've got that asymmetrical hem. I think asymmetrical hem is going to be everywhere. I feel like I had, oh no, that's kind of a little more summery. So I feel like these are pretty like spring. Anything for me, spring is jeans, because I really can't wear jeans in the summer. I mean, I can, but I won't. So like, it's because it's too no, it's really, I can't. It's hot. It's like 100 degrees. So like for me, this may seem summery to you. It's spring for me because that's what it's like in Dallas. But I'm feeling like I have a lot of really good inspiration for my spring like vision board, if you will, for my outfits. So if you want to see my wish list, let me know. I will film that for you next. And then yeah, stay tuned, subscribe if you want to see me recreate these outfits. As always, I love using this as like, it doesn't have to be spot on. It doesn't need to be perfect. It has to be, you know, in this inspiration, and it can be used to like, you ever look at a recipe and get an idea of it, but not follow it exactly? It's beautiful. It's perfect. It helps you utilize what you have at home. It eliminates the need of constantly buying new things. And then you're able to hone in on your style and really figure out, like, is this something that I'm going to use? Like the green pants kind of popped up 3 times in my things. Obviously, I like green pants. So if I find a pair, girl, you know you're going to wear them because you've loved outfits like that. So it really kind of helps be more decisive. And then from there, I go ahead and build my wish list. I always have a running list in my phone of like, before the next season, of like things that I feel like I'm missing or I want to add, or so on and so forth, different trends that I want to try. But these are kind of like the outfits that even with my current wardrobe, for the most part, I could recreate, which I love. It means I've done a great job of building my wardrobe based off of things that I already am naturally gravitating towards. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you find this fun, helpful, whatever it may be. And I hope this inspires you to try to pin outfits that you either have things in your wardrobe or use it as a tool to be like, I'm missing that and I'm loving it, so let's put it, that makes sense. It's kind of like a justification instead of just scrolling and being like, seeing on an influencer being like, I love that. If it's not your style or doesn't know how to blend in, try to figure out your own style. I have tons of videos on how to figure out your style, how to nail all that, but Pinterest is the best. So I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next one very, very soon. Bye.